Okay, we are on our sixth video, but before proceeding into the main objective of this sixth video, let me stress out first some observations on our previous videos, particularly on video number 4 and video number 5. If you can still remember that in video number 4, we were able to create a new page. After we successfully create a new page, Google Sites actually presented us the page that we've just created in here. Initially, it was empty. Then in video number 5, what we did was we created posts. First, this Boracay trip post, and second, the Palawan trip. Now, actually, um, if we are going to visit, somebody will visit this site. Normally, what they got or what they will get is this one. Let me click home. This one here. If somebody will visit my site or this particular site, what they will first get is this one. Now, where will they go so that they can be able to see the travel page that we just created? Okay, so this is actually a jumping board. This is a jumping board of my next of the objective of the sixth video. Because in this video we are going to present, or I am going to demonstrate, how are we going to modify this options panel here so that it can provide an access to our just newly created website. How to do that? If you can still remember in our earlier videos that there's a way actually how to edit here, and that is actually proceeding to here. If we are going to invoke the setup button and then proceed to edit site layout, and then it will give us this. So you will notice because it behaves differently than it was. So say for example, just an example, I wanted that my travels be added here somewhere in the home panel. Actually, I can put it here also. More stuff, I can also do that. But for this demonstration, just allow me to put a link here in the home area. Okay. Uh, I just have to click it, and then again, as what I've said, so I can actually change this. I can better put the MIS class. So for example, and then here we are again. What we can see here are the predefined websites that the template that we have chosen has already have. So what we're gonna do is just add a page, because my intention is to add the travel web page, my travel web page, the page that we've just created in here. So how to do that? I just add page. Then what happens is that we are presented with a sitemap again, guys. Uh, you, if you can still remember there in video number 4, that we created when we created the page, we were actually asked where are we going to place it. Now, it was entitled My Travel. So since our intention before was to put it at the root, meaning at the top, so this is the consequence. My Travel is also aligned here as a main branch of this site. So it has My Travels here, and it has a plus button, meaning it has subcomponents. Indeed, because we were able to put the Boracay trip and Palawan trip as post in this particular page. So now I am going to choose this because this is basically the page that I want to add, and then click OK. So what happens is that My Travels page is now included in the list, which eventually will be added here. But now the question is, am I satisfied that the My Travels page will appear here below, or do I need to put it somewhere at the top? If I want to rearrange this, just actually utilize the following buttons here. If I want to move it up, then I can move it up there and down, and also if I don't like it anymore, I can delete. That's what we're gonna do to some, like for example, homework assignments. This is a predefined web page. If you don't like it to appear there, just delete it, and some others if you like. Then you eventually will be adding your desired or your created web pages. So now in this demonstration, just allow me that I am going to put My Travels web page address right in there. So I am satisfied with that one, so I'll just have to click OK. So what happened is that it should be there. Okay, here it appears now. My Travels appears there. If I am okay with it, so before I can use it, I have to close it, meaning I have to commit that particular command. When I do the close, so you can see the travel here. So meaning if somebody will visit my site, they will be confronted with these headlines here, with this homepage. But if they want to watch my travels, there's only a way to do that by clicking My Travels. So when I click My Travels, bang, there it is. So I hope you get the process. Similarly, if you like to add, if you are going to create more pages, and if you like to add them, just follow the process that we just did.